Have you ever been away from the backcountry for so long that when you finally got the chance to go, nothing else mattered? That's exactly how I felt. It had been 2 months since I'd made it out there. Not because I didn't want to, but because life kept getting in the way. I'd been waiting for this, waiting for winter. I knew the area where I was headed, but I'd never seen it in winter. The forecast called for rain, maybe snow. Either way, I wasn't waiting anymore. So I packed up my Jeep and left. Join me on this trip. It's exactly what my wanderlust needed. My name is Matt, and welcome to my Outpath Notes. The first night gave me exactly what I needed. I woke up to fog hanging over the lake. Everything was quiet, kind of eerie in the best way. That's what I came for. Peaceful mornings with nowhere I had to be. But I'm not done yet. I'd planned 2 nights out here at 2 different lakes. The second one has a hidden beach I found on a previous trip. I didn't camp there last time, so now I'm heading back to spend the night. I've always driven this road south to north. First time going the other direction. Curious if it'll feel different. Let's see what it's like. If you've driven Harrison West, let me know in the comments, north to south or south to north. Which do you like better? I'm getting close to Harrison Lake now. I took what I thought would be a quick detour to another lake, but it ended up taking way longer than I expected, and I didn't even make it. That's a story for the next video, though. If you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe. Actually, speaking of that, my goal for the first half of this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. If you've been enjoying these trips and haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it. It makes a real difference. Coming up on Harrison Lake also means I'll be driving through one of my favorite parts of this route, the Tupelo Log Sort area. I've always liked seeing these industrial sites tucked into the BC backcountry. There's something fascinating about the scale of it all. The big machines, the piles of logs waiting to be sorted. After that, just a few more kilometers and I'll be at the beach. Can't wait to set up camp there. I'm almost there. I still got some daylight left, so I won't be setting up camp in the dark. I don't think I'll get much of a sunset with this overcast, though, but that's all right. Just a few more minutes, and I'll be at the beach. Time to finish the last stretch for today. I spent 2 calm nights at 2 different lakes. Winter rain the whole time, but that didn't matter. I was back in the backcountry, and that's exactly what I needed after being away for so long. The 2 camps gave me the peace I came for. Between them, though, I took a side trip that was anything but calm. That's the next video. Thanks for coming along on this one. If you want to see more trips like this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you out there.